Whew. Believe it or not, there is order to a garden center, and it takes a lot of work. It takes teamwork to get things where they're supposed to go in the right order, unloading racks, bringing things inside that have to go inside in their order, like all the hanging baskets we have inside that go up here that we have to hang. We got some herbs, nice order. And then we got the whole outside to do. So this all makes sense as well. And we just have to get it in the right order. They're fairly in order, but it does take a team, it takes work. And if I could clone myself, I would, because I have to be in 8 places at once. Yay. So we got some order to this garden center for now until the next delivery, but we got, we put 4 packs together, and then they're organized by the type of flower, price point, space them out for the next delivery. Same with our patio pots. Then we have all of our geraniums, hanging baskets, the different price points, seed geraniums. And here we have our tomatoes, and we organize those by the 4 packs. There's 4 in 1, and then we organize them by like paste, cherry, slicer, and then we do the same thing with the single packs. See, these are 1 plant in there. Same with the tomatoes. And then we go on with more tomatoes. Then we do the same thing with peppers. So we have our 4 pack of peppers, and then we do the singles. And in order by sweet to hot. And then over here we have the big quart-sized tomatoes and peppers. And then we get into our veggies. We have single veggies, and then we have our 4 pack veggies. And we like to organize those by like kinds, like all the asparagus and then broccoli, etc. And then we have our beautiful, amazing herbs over there. Some pretty succulents that came in. We also organize hanging baskets by, these are shade, and they come in like the price point standard, premium, or this kind, and then the deluxe, which is the more expensive one. And then, oh, my favorite, the beautiful herbs. And then we have outside, we have, again, more hanging baskets. Beautiful. We have perennials. And again, we have quart-sized perennials, sun part shade. We have premium perennials. We got some hostas, lilies, and gallon-sized perennials. And we have our beautiful accent plants. Some more annuals. They're called the ABCs. We like to organize those in categories of A, B, C. So A's are first. That's how they are if you were to put them in a container. And then our B's, and then our C's. And again, we like to organize them by trying to keep the same flowers together in those categories. So there is order in the garden center, and it takes a team, it takes work. And we'll see you next time, next delivery, Thursday. Now time for some lunch. Ooh, salad, yum, before I go to the next store. It's windy today. Take care, have a good day, see you next time.